Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up the R36S SD card in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to turn off your R3S6 console completely. Afterwards, you need to remove the SD card carefully and insert it into your PC using a card reader. Just make sure that your computer detects the card before moving forward. Now you need to open the SD card on your PC, and when you open it, you are going to see a bunch of different folders inside it. There would be the folders with the names like ROMs, saves, and PIOS files. So you need to simply copy these folders and paste them into the backup folder on your computer. This protects your important data in case anything goes wrong. For a complete backup, you can use a disk imaging tool on your PC. You can create a full image of the SD card so that you can restore the entire system later. This is the fastest method because it includes the files and the system data. Now, once the backup is done, you need to save it in a secure location like your hard drive or cloud storage. Always eject the SD card safely before removing it. So that's how you can back up your R36S SD card very safely. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.